So noise, nobody likes it, right? So background noise is real pain, especially when you are working from home or streaming from busy environment, and you might be recording some professional video or live game streaming, and suddenly you hear this kind of noises. Yep, this is a real story. So that is my mic picking up the vegetable vendor outside my window, or your mom turn on the mixer, or your little nephew is watching cartoons on full volume. So these noises not only make your content sound unprofessional, but also distract your viewers, and that's why noise cancellation is very much required. And this kind of noise cancellation is possible with your hardware, or in terms of using software we can remove the noises, but sometimes it is very difficult to remove as the voice over and the noise frequency matches, and it is very difficult to remove those noises. So in recorded video, at least you will get a chance to remove the noise with the help of some plugins in the Davinci Resolve or Premiere Pro or Filmora or any other voice recording tools. But in case of live streaming, it is very difficult to remove that noises because you are doing live streaming, and you have to rely on your active noise cancellation devices. But there is some limitation beyond that certain dB, you cannot remove that noises. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way we can remove that noises in case of live streaming or even your recording. So let's understand our current method. So currently what we are doing is like directly we are connecting our mic to the PC or laptop, and then through the software such as Capcut, Davinci, Premiere Pro, or your Teams when you are doing the live meeting, or even the live streaming like your OBS Studio or Streamlab. Those kind of interface we are using, and then we are recording your audio. So in this method, you have to directly rely on your hardware while recording through the mic. Or some plugins are there which are in the OBS, but those are not that much effective. So then I came across SteelSeries GG, primarily known for gaming, but hidden inside there is a powerful feature called Sonar. So Sonar is an AI-powered AI tool that lets you apply real-time noise reduction, separate game and mic audio, and give you total control over what your audience hears. So apart from the noise cancellation, there are hidden features, something like audio filters which can use, and I try to use those things like to increase the audio bass while recording itself. And there are some other tons of filters such as a walkie-talkie, deep voice, less nasal, or you can create your own presets, which can be really helpful for someone. So this video I have split it into 3 parts. First is the installation part, then configuration, and then application. To download this application, you have to go to SteelSeries.com, and from you can find this software section. Once you click on software section, there is a one more window will come, and that will show that SteelSeries GG app, and under that like Sonar GG audio advantage is there. Once you click on that, there will be one more page, and you will get option to download from here. So don't worry, I have given link in the description below, and you can directly click on that and you can download the software. So for installation, you have to find the application where it is being downloaded. So double click on that, and the process is like very much similar to other Windows application. So after clicking on that, so it will try to install the software, and you have to wait for some time, and it will give some pop-ups, and you can continue with that. You have to follow the whatever the instruction comes. So once you click on finish, it will redirect to create account. If you have already created account, then you can directly log in from here. If you don't have, then you can create a new login, and once you do the login, it will show software will take you to the home page of the software. So just wanted to highlight one more thing, that like login is mandatory. Without that, you cannot access the features of the software. So once you open the application, it will look like this, and the interface is very simple. And I'm not going to cover all the details because that video will become very lengthy, and there are tons of features are available. So some people they can use this feature, this tool to even the live streaming of the game, and even the screen recording also, something like OBS or Streamlab. So I'm not going to cover all the details because video will become very lengthy. So you have to click on the Sonar, and first step you are going to do is like if you click on the mixer, first step is like you have to select your the microphone. So if you see here, this is a devices row, and the first thing you have to select is like your microphone. So currently I wanted to select JBL CS commercial, this microphone I'm using, and this is a condenser microphone, and I'll just click on that, and now it is being set. So after this, like you have to click on the mic. So if I go to mic, then again like a lot of options are available. If you are gamer, or if you want to do the streaming or in the live chat, then you can click on the gaming options, and you can explore those options. So I'm not interested to cover those parts today. So I'll click on the mic, and then as like first part is like we selected the device. After that, we have to click on the mic, and from here you can see that like there are a lot of presets are available. So first row is like a preset, and you can see like it already selected deep voice. If I click on that, so almost 13 presets are available currently, and you can select any of the whatever that you need. So for example, if I select the flat, it is like right now it is recording in the flat. If I click on the less nasal, so it is now it is being filtered like the less nasal. So if I click on the walkie-talkie, now my mic or the voice is like it is a walkie-talkie, and again low clarity, low pitch, and depend upon your need you can choose these options. So I prefer using the deep voice because it increases a little bit bass, and I'm using for the voiceovers only, so I am preferred that. And I sometimes I use the LES boom arm also. This is also good, but deep voice is like very much better. So once you click on that, and if you click on the mic again, and again this interface will look like this. So if you, there is an option called equalizer, and you can on off this, and the equalizer is basically like whatever the presets we have set, and those are reflecting here on this curve. And you can see this curve like sub bass, low mids, and this is being like very much distributed properly. If you select this the node which is like below the bass, and if I increase this point above, and you can see like my audio is changed to like slightly heavier bass here, and this kind of stuff you can do that. If you don't want to do that, like you can select the whatever the presets are already in this application, you can select that. So I also use that whatever the defined in the application itself. If you want to change that, you can do that, and it is very useful. And if you scroll down again here, the clear cast AI noise cancellation, this is the mainly actually I'm going to use. So if I turn on, it is going to be like it will not be in use, so you have to turn on if it is switched off. And then like by default maybe it is will be at the mid, and there is no harm increasing at the max, and it is giving very good result for me, so I'm keeping it at the maximum. The noise gate is something like it is kind of threshold. Let's say I mean talking at very like 40 dB, more than 40 dB, that time only it will open. If I'm speaking below that 40 dB level, so it will not, my voice will not be registered. For example, if I keep at the low, and whatever I'm speaking right now, everything will be recorded. If I had put that the 40 dB, so this is like if you want to filter like low noise and below 40 dB, so that will not be registered. So that way like it is helping to reduce your noise, and I prefer to keep at 40 dB, but based on your need you can change this value. And if you increase this value again, if I keep at the higher, the possibly like it will block all the voices. So for example, if I increase to at the higher, you might have seen that like it has been like everything is blocked. So I keep at 40, and so it is quite helping actually. Do not use this automatically compute threshold because like it is not working properly. I have checked this automatic level, and better to go set it at manually, and I prefer at 40, and you can change this value based on your need. A compressor again, like this is a very good feature actually. Here it is what is happening, like if you are speaking, like some of the words are too loud and some of the words are too low, so the word which are at the highest volume, it will try to bring at the medium level, and the words which are very much low volume, and it will try to bring at the medium level. So it is kind of normalizing all your audio, and it is streamlined at the middle, so that way it is helping. And standard ratio is like 4:1 people are using, and that's the reason I'm putting as 0.4, and you can, based on your need, you can change that compressor ratio. So basically like we have chosen like compressor, we have changed the value, and then noise gate we kept at 40. Based on your need you can change this, and noise cancellation I kept at maximum. And again I have selected this preset deep voice, that is helping a lot to me. And in mixer, like you get the option to change the your hardware, that is your mic. Apart from this, nothing is there, and there are tons of features there. Features are available in this application, you can explore that. So I'm not going to cover that, so we'll jump over to the testing part, and we'll see that like how it is helping to reduce the noise from your video recording. So once everything is configured in the SteelSeries application, you have to open the Davinci Resolve. I'll try to show how we can use that SteelSeries app in the Davinci Resolve. So it is very easy. You have to directly click on the voiceover, and you can see that a list of audio input devices. The SteelSeries audio device is already listed here. You can select from here, and you can start your voiceover. And to set the as a default device, you have to go to Davinci Resolve, and then go to preferences. From here you can find the option video and audio IO, and click on the input device, and you can see that already the list of microphones are available. So I will choose SteelSeries Sonar, and once you click on that, yes, we have to save. After that, whenever you open the Davinci Resolve, the default microphone will be your SteelSeries application. Now whenever you record voiceover from the Davinci Resolve, what it will do is like it will try to go from SteelSeries application. So you can see that SteelSeries application is already open, and you can see that Davinci Resolve is backend, it's open, and you can see it is in the SteelSeries application also. It is showing that this microphone is being used by Davinci Resolve. So what it is trying to do is like it will filter all the your noise, and even the preset it will be applied, and it will register your audio input in this Davinci Resolve. So similarly, you can connect any of the software which required audio input, and you can change the microphone from the default setting to SteelSeries GG wherever it is come as in the list, and whatever the softwares are there such as the Teams, then Audacity, or even the Capcut Filmora or video editing, or even the Team softwares are there. So those softwares you can change this audio input and you can filter all the noise. So let's do some testing part, and I have just opened the Davinci Resolve, and I have just opened the record voiceover tool. It is right here, and you can choose the SteelSeries application here, like already I have selected, and we'll try to record the voice with this application. And for this I am using very basic mic CSUM06 JBL, and very basic condenser mic having corded profile. And what I will do is like here I have selected SteelSeries Sonar, and backend I'm going to play some NCS videos on my iPhone 15 with the full volume, and I'm keeping very close to the microphone, and we'll see like how the software is helping. And for that, like I have just opened the software, and while recording I will just switch on and switch off this Clearcast and some basic whatever they have explained earlier, and we'll see like how it is being impacted. So let's start. So first I'll start the recording, and let's see, I'll just meantime I will play the audio also. Now I have started recording the NCS video is already started with the full volume, and now whatever the voiceover whatever we are recording now, this is with the background noise, and quickly we'll switch off this Clearcast AI noise cancellation, and let's turn off. So I just turn off this. I'll turn off this also, and then compressor also I will switch off. Now I hope there will be some lot of background noise. I am yet to review this. So let's switch on this again, and we'll not do it again. I mean, to make it video short, we'll do it once only. So I'll just switch on this noise cancellation. Now I have switched on noise cancellation. Now noise gate, and then compressor, and background like it is recording. And let's stop here. So I tried the same thing with the basic microphone whichever I have, and it was working very good for me, and you can also try. And if you have any queries or question related to this application, you can comment in the comment box, and I'll try to reach out as soon as possible. So that's all in today's video, and see you in the next one.